What's up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing this makeup look you're seeing right here, inspired by my beautiful daughter who has slime in all of these colors. So if you want to see this video, please keep on watching, and if you like it, please like, comment, and subscribe. Mwah.
Okay, let's jump right into it. I'm putting on this lotion. It's like a body cream, actually. You can put on any lotion that you have, something preferably that leaves you a bit tacky. And then I'm throwing on this highlighter. It's a liquid highlight. I like to throw it on before I put on my foundation. Keeps my skin looking nice and fresh. Grabbing the foundation sticks from Juvia's place and putting it on my eyelid, and then just kind of blending it out with my finger, and then going straight in with shadow. I'm using a bigger brush for my crease today. I just was trying out something new. It's a really big brush, but it really helped with the blending process. It ended up looking really seamless and really pretty with this brush. I kind of liked it, and I will probably be doing it again. I usually don't do my eyes first, but because I'm going for such a really bright and colorful look, I went ahead and did my eyes before my foundation and whatnot. So going in with the slightly darker pink in this Morphe palette that I'm using, I actually took the end of my brush and roughed it up so that I could get more pigment onto my brush, because it didn't seem to come off the first time, like come out the first time the way I wanted. And then I grabbed the bigger, fluffier brush and I just kind of blended it out. Now picking up some of this Too Faced glitter glue, I'm going to tap it on my outer V because it usually makes my shadows way more pigmented. I'm going to grab that same pink and that same brush and just tap it right on the outer V, right over top of that, that glitter glue, and look how much darker it is. And then I have this really bright, like, super bright pink, and I'm gonna put it right in front of that pink that I just laid down. And then I'm gonna take that same brush that I've been using with it and blend those two colors together. And then I take that Too Faced glitter glue on a small precision brush, and I'm going to make sort of like almost a cut crease with it in the front half of my eyelid. And then I'm gonna pick up this really bright yellow that totally matches my wig, and I am obsessed with, and I'm going to tap it right onto that glitter glue. Every bit of the shadow that touches this glue, it just sticks right to it. Like, it sticks to it, and it's gonna stay on the entire night. I don't know how anyone lives without it. I freaking love that Too Faced glitter glue. I have like 4 of them. But yeah, so after that, I grab that same brush again and I try and blend those out a little bit so that the lines aren't so harsh. Then going in with my Wet n Wild H2O proof liner, and it really doesn't matter what kind of liner you use. I generally use the NYX liners, but I kind of ran out, so. But this is actually a NYX liner, NYX liquid liner, this white, and I'm going right over top, and I'm swooping it into like a cat eye kind of motion, like making it look like I was thinking about a wing, but I decided to go for something else because I didn't want to do a big thick black wing like I always do. So I tried something a little different, but I really love how it came out. Let me know if you guys like it too, or if you guys think it's ugly. Let me know. So I jumped right into my brows. This is actually, I'm using my Anastasia Dip Brow today. This is chocolate. I believe this is the flavor. Yeah. I was about to say the flavor because it's chocolate, but no. This is the shade chocolate. You guys know what I'm talking about. So carving out my brows with that exact same Juvia's Place foundation that I used earlier to, for my eyeshadow or whatever, to conceal my lids, whatever. So it worked okay. It stayed on pretty well because I don't like put a shadow over top when I do my brows, but it didn't work as well as the Tarte Shape Tape that I usually use under my eyes, but it is what it is. These lashes are the Salon Perfect 614s and 614s stacked. I put them on top of each other myself because I do love both lashes on their own, but let me tell you, both lashes together, super wet dream. So gonna push the hairs back from my wig that, yes, I've had a net on this whole time, but I pushed them back so that I can put on my foundation. This is the Juvia's Place foundation, and this is Nepal, I think. I don't know. I'll list the shades in the bottom bar, because then I used the same foundation to conceal and to carve out my cheeks and whatnot. Sorry, it's really super duper late and I should have did this earlier, but I didn't, and I'm exhausted, and so I am a really crappy voiceover right now. But yeah, so I used the same foundation, not the same shade, but the same kind of foundation to do all three of those things I just did. And then taking the darkest shade of the pink that I used from that Morphe palette and sweeping it. Yeah, I'm getting really annoyed by the camera at this point because it keeps like doing some weird thing where I look like a ghost or an angel, either way. But yeah, so then after that, I take some yellow on a brush from that same palette and I'm going to sweep it right under that pink to blend it out just a little bit. So then I grab this contour palette and I go over my contour, go over my cream contour with it because I didn't feel like it was enough. And then after I started putting it on, I felt like it was too much. Oh, way too much. Look at how I look. My cheeks look ridiculous. I'm pretty sure I'm getting ready to, blend it out with some, some bronzer from Milani baked bronzer. Crap, I don't know what's wrong with me today. But yeah, so going ahead and sweeping that over it so it doesn't look so harsh. And then grabbing some Milani Luminoso for my blush. This highlighter is actually from Passion Jones. I got it a long time ago and I don't know. I'll put the shade in the bottom. I don't remember what it was called, but I thought it was freaking awesome. It was awesome because it was a YouTuber who was now making makeup, so I thought that was dope. This is a Wet n Wild liquid lipstick. These Wet n Wild lipsticks, they dry down really, really fast and really, really dry. So you have to kind of get it on and love it on. But yeah, so I put this on and then I put a Wet n Wild gloss over top in some spots. And it's like I waited on it to dry first. I waited on the liquid lip to dry and then I put some of this Wet n Wild on. And it's like really, really glittery and shiny. It looks super pretty and I love it. But after I get that on, this is the final look. And I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate all your views. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my motherfucking video, bitches. I love you so much. And I will see you on the next one. Ciao, ciao.